What's up, YouTube fans? It's your boy Steven here. Just a weekend, so we're excited. We actually took a trip to Bent Metal Customs today. Do a couple things. We're gonna check out the 63 Corvette build, see how they're making with that. And I got a call from Nick over here. He told me they received a package for us. So we're gonna unbox that package. I'm gonna tell everybody right now, if you are purist for the Corvette community, you might wanna just step away from the video. Just shut it down right now. If you're not, and you're into the modified stuff, hang tight. We got something special we're gonna show everybody. I'll give you a little hint, a little wide body goodness. So we're gonna check that out. In addition to that, while we're up here, we also wanna check out all of the great builds that Bent Metal Custom has going on. They have tons and tons of stuff of modified, great pro touring stuff, mods, restoration stuff in their shop. So we're gonna check out some of that stuff too, and just check out what they got going on, give you guys some great car content. So let's stop chatting in the camera as I'm looking at myself here, and let's get inside and we'll get some real footage. All right, cool. Oh man, look at this, some Forge Line goodness. So we're gonna just take a look at some of the projects they got going on here. Killer Mustang they got coming together here. Some slick paint and body. Love this color. Dynamat in the whole interior. Getting the column in, getting the dash in. All that good stuff. Nice fresh set of wheels. Look at this back here. Oh my gosh. 69 Camaro, Pro Touring build. Killer 502 under the hood. Coming together. This thing is wicked. Obviously waiting for an interior, but boy, this thing is slick. Forge Line wheels. DSC frame on it. Killer. And over in this bay over here, second gen Camaro. Forge Line wheels, Willwood brakes, another killer Pro Touring build. Slick blue paint. .600 horsepower LS motor in it. Killer. I dig it. Them deep dog dishes, boy. Oh man, this thing's cool. Some really cool stuff going on here, guys. Can't wait to see the vet. We're gonna go check that out right now. A couple really cool cars just in this one little room here. A lot of projects going on over here. Killer Chevelle coming together. First gen Camaro sitting on the rack there. Nova, getting some love. Shaped firewall. Forged on wheels. As we make our way over here, we got one killer second gen Camaro coming together. LS motor, pro charged, forged line wheels, killer bare brakes, DSE frame. This thing is going to be wicked. And they have this fender off over here so they could service it, wire it, do all the work they need to do without being interfered with too much. F1 Pro Charger is killer. Bear's doing the brakes. Step down to some forged line goodness. I want to show you all this sunroof too, because this is killer. I love this. How awesome is that? This thing's gonna be really cool when it's all done. They got some really awesome projects here. Can't wait to see all of these turn into tire shredding monsters. So we're gonna make our way back into the rough body shop work. There she is in all her glory. And what do we have here? A wonderful box of goodies from our friends over at Dynamic Corvettes. There you have it. 1.5 inch wide, 63 Corvette. This is a quarter panel here. So these are made by Dynamic Corvettes out of Michigan, and Dynamic Customs is going to be installing these babies on a 63 Vet, so we can fit a little bit bigger of a wheel under there, get them forged lines a little bit depth. Can't wait to get these installed. And we got a couple other little things in here too. These are really nice quality piece. Looks really good. Ready to go. So this is the transmission tunnel. To actually fit the T56 Magnum 6-speed in the car, being that the stock Corvette was never made to accommodate that size of the transmission. So Dynamic Corvettes also makes this piece to give it the clearance it's going to need. So we're going to be installing this too. And it's going to have the stock configuration as far as the look and the feel is concerned. And one of the last pieces that we have today is going to be, this is their bumpers, and these bumpers are made out of fiberglass. They have hidden hardware on the inside, so there's no exposed hardware on the outside like the OEM bumpers would be. In addition to that, they also have the contour of the curve in them to accommodate the widened fenders and quarters. These are the back bumpers here. So another just a really slick piece. super excited that all this stuff is made right here in the good old USA, America over everything. You know what it is. So cannot wait to get some progress on the car and get these installed. Stay tuned for more. So let's check out some of these Dynamic Corvette parts that we got. I was showing you the video from afar as I was unboxing and talking about it, but I want to get up close and show you guys kind of the quality and components of this. All this stuff is gel coated, really nice. Like I said before, and I'll say it again, and I am very, very happy about it. Made in the USA. This bumper here is actually widened to incorporate the wide body of what will be the fender, and also the fronts will do for the front fenders. Comes with hardware, hidden hardware. It's all epoxied in, which is really nice. So you don't have to have any of the bolts or stock hardware. Basically all new stuff. We'll put that down there. I showed this before, but I'll show you guys up a little close. This is their T56 transmission tunnel there that's going to be incorporated in. It has that's the stock type of pattern and look for the trim. So it'll incorporate all the stock trim, which is really cool. Because I do want it to, remain some of that feel of the 63 Vet, but I want a lot of the new modern Pro Touring suspension, brakes, wheels, transmission, engine. It's going to have the LS or LT. Still deciding on what I'm doing there. So on the back, I'm going to show you guys this here. So we have the fender that the widened quarter that we taped on, and just to kind of give you guys a rough idea, it's just sitting on top of the old one. But I just want to show everybody how much wider these really are than the original. You can kind of see that there. All right, and then we'll move over to what was stock, and you can see that there. So pretty big difference. It's going to be pretty aggressive, but you know what? I love how it remains with that factory style line. So from the side profile, it's gonna look just like a regular 63 Vet. But from the side, it's gonna be all business. And I love that. So this is hopefully gonna help us to incorporate those big forge line wheels, get them on. And as you can see, it's gonna just taper right back into the factory door. So it's really aggressive on that first turn right there as it comes out to accommodate the bigger wheel, which is really cool. So looking at some of the stuff that Bent Metal Customs has already done, they've stripped the majority of the door jambs, and there's nothing on the front end. And the reason behind that is because we're redoing the whole thing. We're gonna just buy the whole clip from Dynamic Corvettes that's going to basically have the widened fenders and the front nose. You can obviously see there's some cracks there. It's gonna just fix all that, and it's all gonna be already together. So we'll just put that right on the car. The original 63 hood is obviously stripped already, ready to go. They pulled off the trim for that, so that looks really cool, really good. And just basically getting ready here. Little by little, it's gonna get there, and you can see here how the factory did it. They had the original bonding strips right there, that's that line. And again, we didn't do the lower quarter because it's getting all replaced. So there's really no point of wasting time on things that are not gonna be dealt with or touched. But that's it for right now. I want everybody to make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates on the 63 Corvette build. And as we've done before, and we're gonna continue to do on every new video that we post, the last video we're gonna pick a winner and give away some free gear. Hat, shirt, lanyard, maybe a wallet, beanie. We do all these different giveaways. So if you haven't, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe in order for your chance to win some free gear from us. If you haven't, be sure to go on the social media sites, Instagram, Facebook, check out our friends at Bent Metal Customs to get some behind the scene looks of the 63 Corvette. All right, this is your boy Steven. I'm gonna be turning it around to me. I'm signing off. I'll talk to everybody soon enough. Peace.